fam, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. Don't mind the hair, it's a little crazy. I'm trying this don't put heat in your hair thing, so I slept with curlers in and this is what happened. It looks a little crazy, but you know, we're gonna work it out. All right, so in today's video we are doing a Boxycharm, and the things just fell, but that's okay. Fenty Beauty too. What? Okay. I'm so excited for this. I know I'm really late. This came out like beginning of this month, and yeah, but better late than never, I say. Okay, so in here we have the Moroccan Spice eyeshadow, the Gloss Bomb, the matchsticks, and a lip color, which I don't know, very out of my comfort zone color, but that's okay, and a blotting sheet. We are so excited. Okay, anyways, yay Boxycharm for doing that, because that's amazing. As you can see, I have the rest of my face on already, so I'm just gonna do my eyes and whatever came in with the box. Dude, I've been wanting to get this for like so long. Oh my god, it's so pretty. Oh my god. This is such a gorgeous packaging. Look at this purple. Whoa. Oh my god. These colors. Okay, I'm gonna try and not to do a pink look today because I like them in my videos and they just look like the same with like slight variations. So I'm gonna try to do something a little bit more different. Hopefully I don't get a lot of fallout because the rest of my face is on. Ah! Bubs! My cat. What you doing, Bubs? You scared me. I said I was gonna try to do something a little bit more different, a little bit more spicy, a little bit more Bubs. Yeah, I'm gonna try to stay away from the pink. Maybe it just keeps calling out my name. Much better. All right. Alright, dude, there's like hardly any fallout, which is amazing. Okay, see, and it's not pink. What shimmer should I use? What shimmer should I use? I'm gonna see how this one applies on my... What is this? A freaking brush? Okay, I'm gonna see how it looks like with this brush. It looks... Oh, it's creamy. It's creamy. All right. Okay. Something tells me I should use the blue, 'cause I'm wearing blue. Let's try our inner corners. Alright, now I'm gonna smoke it out. Smoke it out. Uh-oh. I got a little bit of a fallout situation. Nothing we can't dust away. I'm gonna put on some eyeliner and lashes and I'll be right back. Okay, a jillion years later, we have our lashes and liners. My eyeliner went on super smooth. Okay, so the last things we have with this collection that we received is this shimmer stick, this gloss bomb, and the lipstick. So I'm gonna try to put on the shimmer stick on my cheeks first as a highlighter and see how that looks. So, shoot. Okay, I dropped it, okay? I dropped it. Look at that. Dang it. Okay, so first thing I'm gonna do is put on this brush because I don't really know how this is gonna work, but we're gonna just try. Okay. If I ruin my makeup, I mean, okay. It's kind of like with the brush, it's not going on as thick, but I kind of don't want to go on really thick because I don't want to look crazy. But whatever. It's there. It's cute. It's cute. It's kind of like the barely there. Barely. Ooh, super gold. Bam. Bam. But that is not enough, guys. It's not enough to have one highlighter. It's not enough. We're also going to try the Kilowatt highlighter in Trophy Wife, which is super gold too. Oh, look at that. Bam. Bam, 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 bam. I'm just gonna... Wow. Wow. Well, a little goes a long way, guys. Alright, now for lips. I need to line my lips, I think. I'm kind of just dabbing it on my lips. I'm just going to use that as a base for underneath my lips. And I'm just going to go in with another lipstick. This is the Jaclyn Hill lipstick in Sophia. Yes, I like that a lot better. Now I'm gonna use the Gloss Bomb in Diamond Milk. Gosh, this thing looks so gorgeous and so pretty. Ooh, ooh. Ooh, damn. That's blinding. Oh yeah. Ooh. I love the way it feels. Do you like how I'm talking while I'm putting it on? I love the way it feels on my lips. Ooh. I like it. I like it. What do you guys think? Alright. So the last step will be to set my face. And I'm going to use my MAC Fix Plus. Alright guys, so this is the final look. What do you guys think? I freaking actually love it. Dude, my favorite thing from this Boxycharm is the Fenty gloss. Dude, my lips just feel so luscious. And it feels like, I don't know, it looks luscious, but it feels like nothing's there. That's what I was looking for. This palette is the Bomb Diggity. I really like that as well. If you guys haven't heard of it, which I'm pretty sure you have, Boxycharm is a monthly subscription, and I did upgrade to the Boxycharm Premium, and that is why I got all those Fenty products, which is awesome. Definitely worth your money. It is like $35 for everything that I got here, and I think this palette alone is more than 30 bucks. So, you know, get your deal on. Alright guys, so that is it. Thank you guys again so much for watching. Please don't forget to like and subscribe so I can see you in my next video. Bye guys. Woo. Oh shoot, I got lip gloss in my hair.